mooas cube timer, time management, kitchen timer, kids timer, workout timer, timer for studying, cooking, mint, easy to use. Simply turn the timer so that the side with the number faces up and the timer starts counting right away. Simple design, a timer with simple cube design in 5 colors make it a perfect home decoration. Various time sets for each color. Each cube timer has various time sets suitable for many uses such as exercising, studying, cooking and taking a nap. Adjust alarm volume. The alarm volume can be adjusted to high, low and off by flicking the switch. Battery operated, requires 2 AAA batteries to use. Batteries not included. The weight inside causes the timer to rattle. It does not mean that the item is defective. Time cube timer for kids study, kitchen cooking, office time management, countdown preset, visual readout screen, silent or alarm, yellow 5, 10, 20, 45 minutes. Kids timer, perfect for study, homework, screen time, ADHD skills, visual time learning, even potty training. Easy to use timer, turn the time cube to the desired time and the countdown begins. Pause function and resume countdown make it easy to use. Perfect for time management and as a Pomodoro timer. Three-way alarm options or silent, choose from high/low buzzer alarm, for blue LED silent light alarm or both to make it suitable for the classroom, office, gym, library or kitchen. Visual LCD display, a larger countdown window with LCD rotates with the direction of the cube making it easier than ever to keep track of the countdown.